This type of video is going insanely viral right now. Simple AI micro ASMR videos are getting thousands of views. Let me show you the complete process step by step. First, open ChatGPT, type AI micro ASMR ideas, and search for it. You'll find lots of different concepts and story ideas. Pick any idea that looks satisfying, relaxing, or visually interesting. Once you've chosen an idea, paste it back into ChatGPT and ask, give me the best image prompt and the best video prompt for this idea. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt and a cinematic video prompt for you. Copy the image prompt. Now let's create the image. Open Google Flow AI and start a new project. This is Google Flow AI main interface. Paste the image prompt into the prompt box. Switch to image mode. Select your preferred aspect ratio. Choose one image and click Generate. After a few moments, Flow AI will create a highly detailed micro world ASMR image. As you can see, the image looks amazing and is ready to be animated. Now it's time to turn this image into a video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Flow AI and switch to video mode. Click plus icon and upload the image you just created. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Flow AI will now animate the scene and transform it into a satisfying AI micro ASMR video with realistic movement and cinematic details. And there you go, your AI micro ASMR video is ready. Download the video. Repeat the same process for different scenes if you want to create a longer video. For even better results, add relaxing ASMR sound effects and background audio during editing. And turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.